Alright, we're recording. Whoa.
Oh boy,
We want our food
you want
now.
more, don't you? Here you go. There you go. Ooh. Is he gonna eat this whole thing?
Don't get real close.
He might.
I don't know if you should give it all to him, though.
I know. That's what I'm afraid
Well, look
of.
at him, boy. He's actually eating this.
He loves it.
Oh,
He
look
usually
at
grunts on his milk when you take the bite away. He's, you know, and he's doing that, so that's crazy.
Good job, Carter. Yay.
Ooh, ooh.
You okay?
Yeah, more.
I think we've created a monster.
Well, we said when he discovered food, he was going to be.
It was gonna be on.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's on. It's on, huh, Bubba?
Yeah.
Woo!
Say we're getting a sweet potato. Down the gullet. Woo. Yeah.